everyone and welcome. This video is your ultimate guide to on-grid solar power system installation. We are leaving no stone unturned, covering everything from component selection to final testing. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how this system works and how they are installed. A 5 kilowatt solar system is a significant investment, but it can drastically reduce your electricity bill and your carbon footprint. Let's break down the installation process step by step. Let's talk about the key components. 1. Solar panels. These are the heart of the system, converting sunlight into electricity. We will be using Waaree TOPCon 580 watt panels. 2. Solar inverter. This crucial device converts the DC electricity from the panel into AC electricity for your home. We are using a Waaree 5 kilowatt on-grid inverter. 3. Mounting structure. This secures the panel to your roof or ground. We will be using roof-mounted structures. 4. DC distribution board and DC DB. This houses the fuse or breakers for the DC side of the system, protecting the solar panel and inverter. 5. AC distribution board (ACDB). This protects the AC side, distributing power to your home and connecting to the grid. 6. Energy meter. This measures the electricity generated by your system and in some cases the electricity you consume from the grid. 7. Cable and connectors. Essential for connecting all the components. We will be using appropriate gauge cable for both DC and AC. 8. AC disconnect breakers. They protect installer, maintenance personnel and homeowners from electrical shock when they work on the solar system. 9. Grounding. Grounding is a critical safety feature for any solar power system. AC and DC grounding along with bonding protect against electrical hazard and ensure for the system's safe and reliable operation. Now let's get into the installation process. Section 1. Panel installation and string sizing connections. First, the mounting structure is installed, ensuring it's securely attached and aligned correctly. The solar panels are mounted on the structure. Solar inverter. The Waaree 5 kilowatt on-grid inverter is a popular choice for residential and commercial solar installers due to its high efficiency, reliability, and competitive price. Here are some key specifications. Model Waaree W35K inverter. Inverter type on-grid. Phase 3 phase. Recommended max PV power 6.5 kilowatt to 6.65 kilowatt. Rated voltage 580 volt. MPPT voltage range 200 volt to 800 volt. Rated output power 5 kilowatt. Max output power 5.5 kVA. Max efficiency 98%. Operating temperature range -25 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's figure out how many 580 watt Waaree solar panel you can connect to your Waaree inverter. Panel STC specifications. 580 watt Waaree solar panel. Power output 500 volts within the inverter. MPPT voltage range 140 volt to 1000 volts. How to calculate string voltage? String voltage multiply the panel VMP by the number of panel in a string. String configuration, you need to decide how many panels you have in each string and how many strings. Example, you could have 2 strings of 5 panels each. Total 10 panels or other configuration ensure the voltage of your solar panel string is compatible with the inverter. Calculations and considerations. String voltage with 5 panels in series. The voltage of each string will be VMP equals to 5 multiplied by 44 volt. VMP equals to 220 volts. Inverter's input voltage range is 600 DC. String voltage of 220 volt is comfortable in this range. Since inverter has 2 MPPT tracker and you have 2 strings, each string can be connected to a separate MPPT tracker. This is ideal as it allows the inverter to optimize the power output of each string independently even if they experience different sunlight conditions. 5th, important notes. Professional guidance. It is highly recommended to consult with a qualified solar installer. DC isolator. A DC isolator is a disconnect switch for a solar string. It is a safety device that allows you to manually disconnect the solar panel from the rest of the system. This is important for the maintenance, repairs, or in case of emergency. DC distribution board (DCDB). A DC distribution board is a panel that houses DC circuit breakers (MCBs), surge protection devices (SPDs), and other components to distribute DC power safely and efficiently. Connect the positive output of the isolator switch to negative input of DC MCB. Earth connection. Connect the earth terminal of the SPD to the ground. Connect the positive output of the MCB to positive PV input of the solar inverter. Connect the negative output of the MCB to negative Important considerations. DC systems are polarity sensitive. It's crucial to connect the positive and negative wire correctly. Reverse polarity can damage equipment. Always double check all connections. How to connect a 5 kW AC side grid tied solar system. Now I will cover the wiring from 3-phase grid supply all the way to your inverter. Let's take a look at overall wiring diagram. We will be connecting our 3-phase grid supply to energy meter, then to disconnect switch, voltage protection relay, SPD, MCB, and finally to the inverter. First we connect the 3 phases RYB, L1, L2, L3 and a neutral from the grid. Supply to the input terminal of the energy meter. It's crucial to match the phase correctly. The energy meter measures the electricity consumed, the output of the energy meter, then goes to the input of our 4-pole AC disconnect switch. This switch allows us to isolate the solar system from the grid for maintenance or emergencies. Then connect the terminal from AC disconnect switch to 3-phase MCB. The MCB provides overcurrent protection, preventing damage from short circuit or overload. Make sure the MCB is rated appropriately for your 5 kW system. Then the SPD connected parallel to the input of a 3-phase MCB or miniature circuit breaker. The SPD protects the system from voltage surge caused by lightning strikes or other electrical disturbance. The ground wire should be connected to the designed ground terminal on the SPD. Finally, the output of the MCB is connected AC input terminal of our 5 kW inverter. The inverter converts DC electricity generated by solar panel into AC electricity that can be used by your home or feedback into the grid. Now connect the terminal from lightning arrestor to ground for safety of a solar PV system from lightning strike. Remember, each of these connections must be securely and according to all local electrical codes. Use appropriate size cables and ensure all connections are tight and correct. After the connections are made, test the system, verify the voltage at various points, check the operation and ensure inverter is functioning correctly. And that's it. You are now successfully connect your 5 kW at AC side grid tie solar system. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more solar energy content.